Question says, which of the two illustrated scenarios is physically possible? Is it A, where we have the same load on either side of the fulcrum, or is it B, where we have different loads on either side of the fulcrum and the fulcrum is shifted to the left? Alternatively, it can be C, where both or neither are physically possible. So again, in A, we have something pretty easy and intuitive to understand. We have the fulcrum, which is directly between the two loads, and the two loads are the same. They're composed of, in this case, the same number of potatoes, but more importantly, this means the load is the same in terms of weight on either side. So this would be balanced, and therefore A does seem physically possible. Now B, we have something a bit trickier, because first of all, we don't have the same load on either side of the fulcrum. On the left side, we can see we have more potatoes than on the right side, which means the load on the left side is going to be greater than the load on the right side. Now, this is actually compensated by the repositioning of the fulcrum. Because the fulcrum is to the left and therefore closer to the larger load to the left of the fulcrum, the moment is shorter. And if the moment's shorter, this will compensate for the lesser load to the right of the fulcrum, which has a longer moment. So B also seems physically possible. And therefore, the correct answer is C. Both seem physically possible.